My profound gratitude goes to Almighty Allah for making the whole thing possible in our favor, and I'm thankful for the judiciary for standing firm to ensure justice is delivered from the tribunal to the Supreme Court, and to my hard-working and dedicated team of lawyers ranging from the team leader, Barrister Didi Dodo, SN, and his team, Mahmoud Magaji and his team, and the lawyers that represented the PDP, Raji Ahmed, and that of the INEC. Above all, to my people in the state that have stood firm with me throughout this trial time. I'm grateful for them. And to my entire well-wishers across the country. This victory will only spur us more to do better for our state. We will continue to ensure that only the best is delivered to our people. And I call on every citizen of the state to join me in building the greater Adamawa state.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great delight. We are very pleased with the outcome that the mandate expressed by the people of Adamawa State, as affirmed by INEC, as affirmed by the tribunal, as affirmed by the Court of Appeal, has been affirmed today by the Supreme Court. But it is also a sobering moment for us as a people, that strong words were used by the court as to the quality, character, and integrity of people appointed into the offices for managing and conducting elections. I do not want to call the name of His Lordship by name. You are all there. His Lordship was categoric. He was very explicit. He was very strong that leadership in this country must carefully select the people to be entrusted with the sublime responsibility of manifesting the democratic will of the people into election results. I think this is an exhortation that all of us must take seriously. The executive, the legislature, the nation, the citizens. We must rise up to the responsibility to enrich and deepen our democracy so that the result of the election is the actual and accurate reflection of the will of the people.